Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this virtual private network called PureVPN. So let's get started. Think of PureVPN like a secret tunnel for your internet connection. It hides your real location and make it look like you are browsing from somewhere else. It helps you keep your online activities private and let you access websites or service that might be blocked in your area. So to do this, PureVPN gives you a special VPN connection. It sends your internet traffic through one of their many VPN servers around the world. It's like putting on a disguise for your internet connection. So to get started with one of the best features of this platform, PureVPN isn't just another VPN. It has some cool tricks which enslave that makes it stand out from the crowd. So these features go beyond simply hiding your IP address and gives you a more control over your online experience. So one of these best features is comes with a safeguarding your digital footprint. Together, it also gives you a password, a safe password for your digital stuff. Also protect your file online, then unlock your best features, which is the cyber security aspect, together with a wide labeled VPN solution and all other important features as well. I'm talking about the pricing plan. We have the max plan, we have the plus plan, we have the standard plan. So if you want more information about this plan, you can just simply get back to the website to analyze the key features enlisted to each plan to help you decide which plan would be a better choice for your internet connection. I'm talking about the pros and cons. It's good to understand the good side and the bad side of each VPN before you simply purchase any paid VPN. So to get started with the good side of this, its speed is very fast. It has a lot of server and the top-notch security as well. It also work everywhere and can also unlock any streaming platform or any streaming app. So talking about the downside, which is the price can be a little bit expensive, so it can be pricey. The customer support issues is vary, and sometimes the short free trial is something not to talk about. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this, pure VPN, and what you think about it. Thanks.